PD 1006 Decree Professionalizing Teaching. A teacher refuses to attend seminars and trainings. What does PD 1006 says about continuing education? According to PD 1006, Section 3, teachers must continuously grow in competence and skills through ongoing training. Refusing seminars violate this duty because continuing education is essential to maintain professional standards in the teaching profession. Number 2 is, a principal hires an unlicensed teacher because they are relative. Is this legal? So according to PD 1006, Section 15, only duly licensed teacher can perform teaching duties. Hiring an unlicensed relative is illegal because it bypasses merit and qualification requirements. Number 3 is, a teacher performs administrative works but no longer teaches. Does PD 1006 still apply? According to PD 1006, Section 1, teaching includes related academic and administrative services within educational institutions. Therefore, even if a teacher performs administrative duties, the law still recognizes the rule as part of the teaching profession. Number 4 is, how does PD 1006 define teaching as a noble profession? So according to PD 1006, Preamble, teaching is declared a noble profession because it shaped the moral and intellectual foundation of the nation. It elevates teachers as nation builders entrusted with learners' holistic development. Number 5 is, what rights and responsibilities does PD 1006 grant to licensed teachers? According to PD 1006, Section 3 to 5, licensed teachers have the right to professional recognition and protection. They are also responsible for abiding by ethical standards to ensure quality education. Number 6 is, a teacher feels underpaid despite professionalization. What provision supports just compensation? So according to PD 1006, Section 4, teachers are entitled to just compensation aligned with their professional qualification. This supports the principle that professionalization must be matched with fair economic benefits. Number 7. Can a teacher's license be suspended without due process? So according to PD 1006, Section 7, no teacher's license can be suspended or revoked without due investigation. This ensures that disciplinary action respects fairness and legal procedures. Number 8 is, how does PD 1006 elevate teaching as a dignified profession in the Philippines? So according to PD 1006 Preamble, the decree advances teaching as a dignified profession through licensing and regulation. It aims to uplift teachers' social and economic status. Number 9. How does PD 1006 relate to PPST Domain 7 or the personal growth and professional development? So according to PD 1006, professional development is a core mandate through training and training participation. This aligns with PPST Domain 7, which stresses continuous self-improvement and lifelong learning. Number 10. A non-education graduate was hired as a teacher due to shortage. Is this allowed under PD 1006? So according to PD 1006, Section 15, only licensed teacher may engage in classroom teaching. Exceptions must be temporary and strictly regulated. Hiring a non-education graduate is permissible only under special circumstances and must not violate licensing rules. The RA 7836 or the Philippine Teachers Professionalization Act of 1994. Number 1. A teacher without let eligibly continues teaching in a private school. Is this valid? According to RA 7836, Section 26, no person may practice as a professional teacher without passing the LET. Teaching without eligibility invalidates their authority to teach. Number 2. What penalties apply to a teacher who falsifies PRC credentials? According to RA 7836, Section 28, falsification of PRC document is punishable by fines, imprisonment, or both. This protects the integrity of the profession. Number 3. A teacher refuses to renew their PRC license. What are the consequences? According to RA 7836, Section 27, failure to renew renders the license expire and the teacher unqualified to practice. continued teaching under an expired license is prohibited. Number 4. How does RA 7836 protects the integrity of the LET? According to RA 7836, Section 13 to 19, LET standards ensure only competent professionals teach. The law defends exam transparency, impartiality, and testing reliability. Number 5. Can a teacher be assigned to teach outside their specialization? So according to RA 7836, competence is tied to past specialization areas. Assigning teachers outside their fields undermines the requirement of matching qualification to subject. Number 6. A teacher migrates abroad and asks if their license is recognized. What provision applies? So according to RA 7836, Section 26, only licenses issued by the PRC allowed practice in the Philippines. Recognition abroad depends on foreign recognition and bilateral agreements. Number 7. How does RA 7836 strengthen teacher quality and competence? According to RA 7836, licensing screens applicants for knowledge, pedagogy, and ethics. Qualified teacher helps raise national standards of education. Number 8. What remedies are available if teacher's license is wrongfully suspended? According to RA 7836, Section 23, teachers may appeal suspension decisions through the Professional Regulation Board and PRC. This provides administrative remedy and protects professional rights. Number 9. How is ethical conduct linked to professional licensing under RA 7836? So according to RA 7836, professionalism includes moral integrity and responsible behavior. Ethical lapses can be grounds for sanction or license revocation. Number 10. How does RA 7836 support the PPSD framework for teacher quality? So according to RA 7836, professionalization upholds competencies, accountability, and lifelong development. This directly supports the PPSD framework for teacher quality. The RA 6713 or the Code of Conduct for Public Officials and Employees. Number 1 is a teacher accepts a gift from a student's parents. Is this ethical? So according to RE 6713 Section 7D, public employees must not accept gifts in exchange for favor or influence. A teacher accepting a gift from a parent creates conflict of interest. Number 2, a teacher publicly criticizes school leaders on social media. Does this violate the RA 6713? So according to RE 6713 Section 4, public official must show professionalism and respect towards institutions. Publicly attacking leaders on social media violates proper conduct and courtesy. Number 3 is a teacher uses school materials for private tutoring. What ethical rules apply? According to RE 6713 Section 4B, public resources must be used for only official duties. Use school materials for private income is unethical. Number 4, can a teacher hold a political position while in active service? So according to RE 6713, public officers must avoid conflict of interest. Teachers in active service may be restricted from elective political posts to maintain impartiality. Number 5, a teacher plays a favorite with certain students. Is this allowed? So according to RA 6713 Section 4, fairness and justice must guide official action. Favoritism undermines equal access to education. Number 6, a teacher is offered a promotion in exchange for favors. What principle is violated? So according to RA 6713 Section 7, solicitation or granting privileges in exchange for favors is strictly prohibited. Such conduct is corrupt and punishable. Number 7, how does RA 6713 ensures accountability and transparency in the teaching profession? So according to RA 6713, transparency, honesty, and responsiveness are core values of public service. Teacher must uphold this to build trust in education. Number 8, how does public trust related to teachers' behavior both inside and outside schools? So according to RA 6713, teachers represent the state and must act ethically inside and outside school. Their behavior shapes public perception of the profession. Number 9, a teacher fails to report a colleague's unethical act. Is silence a violation? According to RA 6713, Section 4, officials must report violations of the code. Failure to act enables wrongdoing and break ethical responsibility. Number 10. How does RA 6713 reinforce PPST Domain 6 or the community linkage and professional engagement? So according to RA 6713, engagement with community must be anchored in ethics and responsibility. This mirrors PPST Domain 6, which emphasizes collaboration and professionalism. The RA 4670 or the Magna Carta for public school teachers. Number 1. A teacher is transferred to another school without prior consultation. What right is violated? So according to RA 4670, Section 6, teachers must be consulted to prior transfer. Sudden relocation without due process violates this right. Number 2. A teacher works overtime without compensation. What provision applies? So according to RA 4670, Section 10, extra work must be compensated or workload adjusted. Forcing unpaid overtime is unlawful. Number 3. How does RA 4670 ensures teachers' protection against unjust dismissal? So according to RA 4670, Section 8, teacher cannot be terminated arbitrarily. They must be given valid cause and due hearing or process. Number 4. A teacher faces health problems due to overwork. What benefits applies? So according to RA 4670, Section 22 to 23, teachers suffering from illness due to work are entitled to medical leave and benefits. This ensures their safety and welfare. Number 5. A teacher on maternity leave is not paid. Is this legal? So according to RA 4670, Section 22, female teachers are entitled to maternity leave with pay. Denying wages during maternity leave is a violation. Number 6. Can teachers form or join unions according to RA 4670? So according to RA 4670, Section 27, teachers may organize unions to promote professional interest and collective bargaining is a protective right. Number 7. What are the rules regarding class size and workload? So according to RA 4670, Section 13, teachers must handle a reasonable number of students to ensure quality learning. Excessive workload harms teaching effectiveness. Number 8. A teacher is suspended without due process. What legal right is violated? So according to RA 4670, Section 8, no teacher may be suspended without investigation and hearing. Number 9. How does the RA 4670 promote continuing professional education? So according to RA 4670, Section 3, teachers have the rights to pursue professional studies and training. It promotes development through scholarship and career opportunities. Number 10. How does RA 4670 supports PPST's emphasis on teacher welfare and growth? So according to RA 4670, welfare, workload, and development rights allow teachers to thrive. This aligns with PPST's emphasis on teacher well-being and growth. The BP 232 or the Education Act of 1982. Number 1. A teacher discloses a student's confidential grades. Is this allowed under BP 232? So according to BP 232, Section 9, students have the rights to privacy and academic confidentiality. Public disclosure of grades is prohibited. Number 2. What rights do teachers have in school decision making? So according to BP 232, Section 10, teachers have the right to participate in school planning and policy processes. They are recognized as stakeholders in education. Number 3. A teacher punishes students physically. Does BP 232 permit this? So according to BP 232, Section 9, education respects individual dignity and prohibits physical harm. Corporal punishment violates students' rights. Number 4. How does BP 232 define teachers' role in national development? According to BP 232, Section 2, teachers contribute to forming productive citizens and nation building. Their work cultivates human capital for societal progress. Number 5. A student accuses a teacher of bias. How does BP 232 ensure fairness? According to BP 232, fairness and objective evaluation are mandated in educational processes. Teachers must apply assessment and discipline consistently. Number 6. What are a teacher's basic duties as stipulated by BP 232? So according to BP 232, teacher must teach effectively, maintain discipline, and uphold ethical standards. They guide students toward academic and personal growth. Number 7. Can a teacher refuse to teach due to lack of materials? So according to BP 232, teacher must perform assigned duties but schools must also provide adequate tools. Lack of materials requires institutional supports, not refusal. Number 8. What rights do teachers have in curriculum implementation? So according to BP 232, teachers may participate in curriculum delivery and adaptation. They are implementers and partners in educational planning. Number 9. A teacher is disciplined for promoting democracy in class. Is this a violation? So according to BP 232 Section 2, education promotes democratic values and responsible citizenship. So disciplining teacher for teaching democracy undermines the Act's principles. Number 10. How does BP 232 reflects the PPST's focus on teachers' accountability? So according to BP 232, teachers are responsible for learning outcomes and moral guidance. This mirrors PPST's standards of professionalism and accountability. The RA 10912, or the Continuing Professional Development or CPD Act of 2016. Number 1. A teacher refuses to earn CPD units, saying, "I've been teaching for years." What does the law state? So according to RA 10912, teachers must earn CPD units for license renewal. Teaching experience alone is not a substitute for continuing education. Number 2. A teacher complains that CPD seminars are expensive. Can they refuse compliance? So according to RA 10912, compliance is mandatory regardless of cost concerns. Teacher may seek accredited affordable programs or school support. Number 3. How does RA 10912 encourage lifelong learning among teachers? So according to RA 10912, CPD promotes continuous competency, innovation, and global competitiveness. It cultivates reflective and adaptive professionals. Number 4. What are the penalties for renewing a PRC license without CPD compliance? So according to RA 10912, license renewal requires CPD compliance unless exempted under PRC guidelines. Failure to comply may delay or deny renewal. Number 5. A teacher claims their informal training abroad should count as CPD. Is this possible? So according to RA 10912, foreign or informal programs may count if accredited by recognized CPD providers. Documentation and evaluations are required. Number 6. How does the CPD law connects to PPST Domain 7 on professional growth? So according to RA 10912, career-long learning is a legal obligation. This matches PPST Domain 7, which prioritize growth and reflection. Number 7. A teacher says CPD is only for newly hired teacher. Is this true? So according to RA 10912, CPD applies to all practicing professionals. Seniority does not exempt teachers for professional upgrading. Number 8. Can a school sponsor CPD programs to help its teachers? So according to RA 10912, institutes may deliver accredited training to support teachers. This fosters collective competency. Number 9. How does RA 10912 ensures teacher stays updated with global trends? So according to RA 10912, CPD aims to keep teachers updated with advanced pedagogy and technology. It elevates Philippines' education to international standards. Number 10. As a future teacher, how will you comply with the CPD law to remain competent? So according to RA 10912, you must participate in ongoing training and reflect on your practice. Doing so ensures competence and ethical professionalism. Teachers as a person in authority. Number 1. A teacher stops a fight and is attacked by a student. What legal protection applies? So according to Revised Penal Code Article 152, teachers are persons in authority. Assaulting them incurs heavier penalties. Number 2. A student verbally insult a teacher. Can a teacher file a case? So according to Article 151 of the Revised Penal Code, resistance or disobedience to person in authority is punishable. Teacher may file legal action for insult that disrupt their authority. Number 3. A parent harasses a teacher after a failing grade. What protection applies? So according to Article 152, harassment of a teacher is an attack on a person in authority. Teachers are entitled to legal protection and complaint filing. Number 4. A teacher disciplines students and is accused of child abuse. What's the boundary? So according to RA 7610, child protection restricts physical and degrading punishment. Teachers may discipline within reasonable and non-abusive boundaries. Number 5. How does being a person in authority elevate teachers' respect in society? So according to Article 152, teachers' legal status commands respect from students and the community. This promotes order and disciplines in school. Number 6. What should a teacher do if a student refuses to obey classroom rules? So according to school disciplinary policies and Article 151, students must obey lawful instructions. Teachers may enforce rules consistent with child protection law. Number 7. A student destroys school property. What action can a teacher take? So according to civil and criminal liability provisions, teachers may report damages for disciplinary action. They must document incidents professionally. Number 8. What are the consequences of disrespecting a teacher under the law? So according to Article 151, insulting or resisting teachers is punishable. It safeguards authority and self-learning environments. Number 9. Can a teacher be punished for protecting themselves during a confrontation? So according to Article 11, Paragraph 1 of the Revised Penal Code, teachers may defend themselves from aggression. Reasonable force is not punishable. Number 10. How can these concepts promote peace and order within a school community? So according to Article 152, recognizing teachers as person in authority reinforces respect for school policies. This concept maintains safe, harmonious learning communities.